Hello viewers, this is Weldon Kuru. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, like the video and share to reach as many people as possible to make this world a better world. Wanyama si wanyama too. They have their own rights, and these rights must be followed. These animals should be taken care of. You find a donkey being beaten thoroughly by a person. Imagine anapepa mzigo mzito. That is not a good thing. Just look at this. Hata ng'ombe. You find somebody carrying a cow using a boda, a motorcycle. Is that not violating the rights of that cow? Just check on this. Look at how this person is violating the rights of this cow. Imenifika koo. Just look at this. Angalia yanafanyika tu kwa huyu ng'ombe. Maskini ng'ombe. Wow.
Sangetembeza ama tuktuk.
Sheria imkapili huyu mtu. Ameua huyo ng'ombe. Animals have their own rights, and these rights we know by default. We have to check on our behaviors, and if we continue like this, then we are going to face the other side of the law. You must follow the rules. Piling chickens, around 100 chickens in a motorcycle, I don't think is following the right way and the right channel to carry the chickens. So that is all about our today's video. Try to follow the law. Do not violate the rights of animals. And if you see anybody violating those rights, please report that person. Make that person to understand that all these animals matter to us. All these animals are of importance to us. See you next time. Goodbye.